What is a fiber media converter? Fiber media converter is a simple networking device that makes it possible to connect two dissimilar media types, such as twisted pair, with fiber optic cabling, commonly used to convert electrical signals to optical signals to help extend communication distances and increase signal security. It is a cost-effective networking solution that comes in a variety of types and is compact and easy to deploy. Next, we will introduce 3 ways to use fiber media converter. The first one is fiber to RJ45 network application. When you need to convert electrical signals into fiber optic signals for transmission, you can use a gigabit fiber media converter with one SFP interface and one RJ45 interface to connect. We use a network cable to connect the RJ45 port of switch A to the RJ45 port of the fiber media converter. Then insert the SFP module into the SFP port on the fiber media converter and insert another SFP module into switch B. Finally, use a fiber optic cable to connect the 2 SFP modules. This can achieve a transmission speed of 1 gigabit per second and transmit signals between different physical media networks at a lower cost. Secondly, to extend the network transmission distance, the media converter can be used to extend the transmission distance between 2 copper systems by converting the signals to fiber optic by using 2 media converters with one SFP plus port and one RJ45 port, converting the electrical signals to optical signals and back again, and using fiber optic to extend its transmission distance effectively. We can use 2 network cables to connect the RJ45 ports of switch A and fiber media converter A, and the RJ45 ports of switch B and fiber media converter B, and then insert the SFP plus modules into the 2 fiber media converters. And finally, connect them with optical fiber cables. This breaks the limitation that 2 electrical port switches can only transmit 100 meters and extends the transmission distance to several kilometers or even tens of kilometers. It can also provide single-mode to multi-mode fiber conversion for different fiber types, distances, and wavelengths in various topologies and network architectures, thus achieving longer data transmission distance and transmission rate. We can insert the 10G SRSP Plus module into the SFP Plus port of switch A and fiber transceiver A, and the SFP Plus port of switch B and fiber transceiver B, and connect them with multi-mode fiber jumpers. Then insert the 10G LR module separately and connect the 2 modules with single-mode fiber cables to convert multi-mode to single-mode for bidirectional transmission. Finally, when choosing fiber media converter for your network, you should consider factors such as the type of network media that needs to be connected, the distance between devices, the required bandwidth, and speed. Before choosing a suitable fiber media converter, it is best to consider future network needs. If you have any questions, please contact us at qsfp.com. The above is all our content. Welcome to like and subscribe to us. Your support is the greatest encouragement to us.